Welcome back. The front of the 2026 Ford F-150 Raptor features an aggressive, functional, and rugged design, specifically designed for high-performance off-road capability. Iconic front grille, featuring a dominant black grille with a large Ford lettering in the center, a signature Raptor feature. This grille is designed for maximum airflow to the engine. LED headlights, equipped with advanced dynamic LED headlights, which include automatic height adjustment and dynamic turn signals. This design provides a sharp and modern look. Marker lights. The Raptor's signature amber orange marker lights are located above the grille and within the headlight housings, emphasizing the truck's width beyond that of a standard F-150. Heavy-duty front bumper. A rugged steel bumper designed for increased ground clearance and a superior approach angle when tackling rugged terrain. The bumper is equipped with robust tow hooks. Vented hood. The hood features functional vents that provide an aggressive look while also aiding engine cooling. Raptor marking. A Raptor decal or emblem is often affixed to the front to emphasize its identity. Blasting over dunes at breakneck speeds requires a special kind of vehicle, and the Ford F-150 Raptor makes it look easy. It's built on the same foundation as the best-selling F-150 full-size pickup, but the Raptor has been eating its spinach and practicing its acrobatics. A wider stance, big fender flares, beefy 35-inch all-terrain tires, and a sinister mud give it a hulking presence, and a standard 450 HP twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 provides the muscle. The Raptor R is an even more capable colossus, deafening its enemies with the roar of its 720 HP supercharged V8. With optimal Fox dual live valve dampers and long travel suspension, the Raptor practically begs to be launched off the nearest dirt mound. But when it isn't roaring down ORV trails and is asked to settle into suburban life, the Raptor tempers its droid rage and coasts down the interstate with a smoothness that contradicts its rowdy character. At the moment, the turbocharged, six-cylinder Ram 1500 Ro is the only faux fit to tangle with the Raptor, both on and off-road. But that could soon change with the supercharged V8 Ram Trix return. Expert tip. The Ford Raptor R has been the king of the hill since the Ram 1500 took waved the white flag in 2024. But that model is set to make a reappearance for the 2026. It might be worth waiting to see if the new T-Rex can dethrone the Raptor. Functional tailgate. Equipped with a Pro Access tailgate, which allows easier access to the cargo bed. This door also includes a dedicated work surface equipped with a metal tie-down ring. Steel rear bumper. A rugged steel rear bumper, often black, is designed for maximum durability during extreme off-roading. Exhaust system. Features a dual exhaust system, dual tailpipes that delivers a distinctive and aggressive sound. Raptor markings. On Raptor R models, the tailgate features an R emblem with distinctive code orange accents. Fox suspension and suspension. Features a specially tuned rear suspension, including Fox racing shocks often 2.5 inches or larger that are electronically adaptive for quick shock absorption. LED lighting. Equipped with modern LED taillights. Towing capability. The rear bumper is equipped with a powerful towing feature. Ford Plus 6. Overall, the rear of the 2026 F-150 Raptor looks very bold, wide, and ready for rough terrain. Supported by large tires and prominent fender flares, the interior of the 2026 Ford F-150 Raptor is designed to blend functional comfort with an aggressive sporty feel, ready for both extreme off-road terrain and everyday use. The cabin features premium materials, advanced technology, and signature Raptor accent stock materials. Seats are upholstered in high-quality leather, with a leather/Alcantara registered trademarks weight blend option for maximum comfort and enhanced off-road grip. Raptor design. Sport bolstered front seats are designed for optimal support, often featuring an embroidered Raptor logo. Accents. Contrast stitching, such as code orange, creates a sporty, high-energy feel. Adjustments. The front seats are electrically adjustable for the best driving position. 2. dashboard and technology cockpit. Touchscreen and sync for a large, typically 12-inch, touchscreen serves as the centerpiece of the infotainment system, using responsive sync for software and supporting navigation. Digital instrument cluster. A configurable 12-inch digital instrument cluster displays off-road data, speed, and engine information with Raptor-specific graphics. Connectivity. Equipped with 5G Wi-Fi hotspot connectivity, providing fast internet access in the cabin. Sport steering wheel. Leather-wrapped steering wheel with specially designed thumb pads for a firm grip. Accents and pedal shifters. Often features a code orange accent at the 12 o'clock position and features aluminum paddle shifters for aggressive manual shifting. Dedicated buttons. The steering wheel features quick buttons for adjusting suspension, exhaust, and steering modes. Raptor mode. Interior work surface. A popular Ford feature. The shift lever folds flat to create a flat work surface from the center console, making it easy to use a laptop or eat. Storage. A deep center console with ample storage space. Cabin design. Utilizing the spacious Super Crew body style, offering ample rear legroom. The rear seats feature a 60/40 split bench configuration, allowing for flexibility between carrying passengers and storing cargo. Materials. Premium upholstery with a combination of leather and suede accents such as Alcantara registered trademark. Comfort. Heated seats on the outer rear seats are available. Space. As part of the Super Crew cabin, the rear seats offer exceptional legroom and headroom, making them among the best in their class. Functionality. The seats fold down to provide additional, flat cargo storage within the cabin, payload, and bed capacity. The 2026 F-150 Raptor R can carry a maximum payload of up to 1,400 pounds, approximately 635 kilograms. The tailgate features a robust cargo management system to secure cargo in extreme terrain. Smart tailgate. The Raptor's tailgate is typically equipped with a power tailgate that opens and closes electrically and has an integrated tailgate step for easy access to the tailgate. Functional and storage features. Pro Power onboard. The tailgate often features a power outlet that allows you to use power tools or charge equipment, especially useful when camping or off-roading. Secret compartment. A hidden storage compartment is available. LED lighting. The tailgate features LED lights in the corners for maximum visibility at night. Exterior design. The tailgate features a bold Raptor or Ford emblem with a rugged texture, matching its rugged appearance. Towing performance. The F-150 Raptor R is capable of towing up to 8,700 pounds, approximately 3,946 kilograms, while the standard Raptor model is capable of towing 8,200 pounds, approximately 3,719 kg. The 2026 F-150 Raptor's bed isn't just a storage space. It's designed as a rugged utility hub to support high-speed off-road adventures. Based on information for the 2026 model year, the Ford F-150 Raptor offers two ferocious engine options designed for high-speed off-road performance and maximum toughness. 5.2L supercharged V8 engine Raptor R only. This is the pinnacle of F-150 performance, designed for the Raptor R and producing immense power. Engine type: supercharged, intercooled, dog V8. Displacement: 5.2L 5.2L. Power: 720 horsepower HP. Torque: 640 pound-feet 867 nanometers. Features: this engine transforms the Raptor into a desert cruising supercar with instant acceleration. 2. 3.5L high output EcoBoost registered trademark V6 engine standard Raptor. The standard Raptor uses an updated twin-turbo V6 engine for high performance. Engine type: twin-turbocharged V6, EcoBoost. Displacement: 3.5 liters. Power/torque: designed for strong low and torque for technical off-roading and high speeds. Engine and transmission features: transmission: both are paired with a sophisticated 10-speed automatic transmission for smooth yet fast gear shifts. Drive system: Advanced 4-wheel drive for DUD. Suspension, equipped with a new 5-link box for stability on rough terrain.